Hanoi. Walking over to get some pho for breakfast. Pho song. Alright, let's go. First meal here in Hanoi, and I had to get pho. My favorite Vietnamese food. Very happy.
Hey, what's up, Street Talks? Eric from the Eric from Street Photography Blog. Currently here with Todd Hada. We are currently at Bui Studio, my favorite coffee shop in the world. The thing that's very interesting about Hanoi is that it's very chaotic but peaceful at the same time. So every once in a while you come to these tranquil coffee shops in places like Bui where you find a little like your zen little temple in the midst of all the craziness. So yeah, definitely check out Vietnam. Have a spirit of adventure. Vietnam's the place to be.
Our second day here in Hanoi, and it's busy. It's hopping. 8 a.m. and it's like so much traffic, and it's hot and humid already. I'm already sticky and sweaty. So yeah, I guess that's how it's gonna be my whole time here in Vietnam and Thailand. Alright, we're going to the coffee shop. Hopefully I can find some food. Alright, I just got some pho for breakfast. Pretty good. Not the best pho I've ever had, but it was good. We are here on the streets of Hanoi and just walking around, taking some photos. And it's just crazy. It's just always crazy here. Look at this traffic behind me. There's more scooters than cars. Then you add some buses into there and try to cross the street. It's not easy. Eric says this is the best pho in Hanoi, right?
Best pho in Hanoi.
Alright, let's give it a try. It's good?
Yeah.
Oh, again, spicy. Alright, that's some good broth. Let's try the noodles. It's good. Good stuff. Getting some all-you-can-eat. I think it's hot pot. It's kind of like a revolving sushi, but for hot pot. So we're here at the Vincom Tower Mall in Hanoi, and this is one of Eric's favorite restaurants. So yeah, it should be good.
Welcome to the apex of civilization, Kichi Kichi, where you get stuffed like a cow without having to rebel.
Alright, Kichi Kichi. Finished with our Kichi Kichi all-you-can-eat hot pot, and I have over 20 plates, so I'm pretty stuffed, but it was good, and I think it's $10 or $11, so hell of a deal. Can't beat that. Here at Cafe Foco, and this is the famous egg coffee place. Nice view of the lake too, way up on the top deck. I don't need eggs, but I'm gonna get a smoothie. But someone will get the egg coffee, so yeah, let's go check it out. This is Hanoi's biggest market, similar to the Mexican markets. meat restaurant. And I got some barbecue pork, some rice and some veggies. This is my first pork here in Vietnam.
Oh, okay. Vietnam's actually more famous for pork.
It's good. That's a little juicy. Not bad. Could use some sauce. We are at Gogi House Korean barbecue.
The thing that's so special about Korean barbecue is that you can eat lots of kimchi. It's a buffet style, all you can eat, and we could grill on thing. So the nice thing is that we use charcoal, so the taste of the meat is even better. And also we have lots of vegetables, so that's healthy, right? And it's probably one of the most famous places in Vietnam.
Alright, we finished with the Korean barbecue and we actually got hot pot as well. So, second night in a row of all you can eat. I think that's it for a while. Tonight's dinner, Tokyo Yukai Buffet. We are at Net Hue again. I got my Bunbo Hue. It's like pho, but a little bit spicier. Different flavor than pho. It's good. Different noodles too, the thicker noodles. Back at De Chow vegetarian restaurant. It's really nice. I'm always hungry after. Alright, we are back at Kichi Kichi.
Our favorite place in the world.
It's our last meal here in Hanoi. And luckily this place is open early. So hot. So full. I had about 5 pounds of meat, a bunch of veggies, no carbs though, so that's good. Alright, so that's our last meal here in Hanoi. Gonna pack up and head to the airport. It's been such a great time here. Just love it here in Hanoi.